the streets up. Yeah, yeah. Okay, wake the streets up. Okay, come on. Okay, wake the streets up. Yeah, yeah. Come on, wake the streets up. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yo, it's your favorite hustler again here, back with another video, y'all. Y'all seen me finish up the rims, getting them ready to paint yesterday. So I'm on to the I just finished the priming stage. I'm ready for paint, but I'm gonna paint it the same color as my car, which you guys know. So in order for me to do that, I had that Fender wreck I had told you guys about and showed you guys. So I gotta replace the Fender. That way, if I'm gonna paint things green, I might as well paint everything I need to paint green. So I'm in the process of getting this Fender off over here. Matter of fact, I'm on the last boat. I didn't think you guys should see the horrific stages of me getting most of the boats done, so I just went ahead and did it myself. I'm gonna show y'all how many boats it took for this thing to even come here in a minute. Okay, there's my last one. There's a pile of boats right there, and that's what it took, you know, these right here. And then it also took, dang, I think I got one more. Yeah, I got one more on the inside I gotta get. Okay, over there. So let me kind of lean this. But I got one more in here. Can't really see it. You can see it better right there. See the tail right there. And then stand up. Okay, that's good enough. And then all these right here was what you also had to take off for my Fender to come off. Had to take the light out in the front. This one was already out, but on the other one I gotta take it off. Door has to come off on both sides, as you can see. Got the door off over here. I already got this one about started. I got a couple bolts underneath I gotta do. And then of course, like I said, I gotta take this light fixture out and this on the side, and then that will be able to come out. And then I'll just beat this in place the best I can, put it on the other one, and slap that other one on here and get it ready to paint. So yeah, that's what I got. I'll be also taking off these stock tires because they originally belonged to this car anyway, so I'll be putting it with this one, of course, and I'll just be putting some Lolos back on this. So it can sit, because this is definitely a parts car. It does run and dry. Look, man, I knocked my clean out, man, out with the car, and then me myself kicking it after that knocked it out of place. But yeah, that's what I got going. That's my project for today. I'm gonna finish this up, and then shoot, I'll be calling that a day. And we'll be ready for some green paint here in the next few days or so. So I'll talk to you guys here in a minute. Getting that Fender off, y'all. Getting ready to put it on the other side. Here it goes. Like I said, this is all the bolts that took off to do it. I had to end up using a Phillips. I had to end up using a ratchet with an extension. 10, 11, a 12, and a 13 to get this job done. I'm also going to show you guys just a clip just for fun of when I wrecked my other car, just so you guys can see a smidget of that. Well, this same car when it was brown, when I wrecked the other side of the Fender. So yeah, I'll show that to you. Talk to you guys later.